Mike, when you're listening to a hypnosis audio track, oftentimes it'll have a very specific title like How to Sleep Better at Night or How to Overcome Insomnia.
How to get rid of your stress.
Obviously, people know what that's used for. But when it comes to something like Journey to the Castle, which is a recording that you and I created and launched publicly to the world, you can download it for free. Look at the link in the description below. Journey to the Castle, what's it for and how does someone even use it?
Great question. Journey to the Castle is our first sort of mental journey that uses something we call the inception induction, but that's a topic for a different conversation. But it makes it very, very powerful. And the thing that's wonderful about it is you can use Journey to the Castle for any purpose you want. There's a place at the very beginning when you're listening, you've got your headphones on, and it will tell you to set your intention. And you're just going to focus for a moment on what you want to have happen. Like, I want to be able to power nap every day, or I want to sleep better tonight, or I want to be a faster reader, laugh more, whatever it is. You set your intention at the beginning. But here's the great thing, guys. You don't have to do that either. You can just put it on, trust your unconscious mind to set some sort of intention for you and believe that it'll happen, because it will.
All right, so basically this is a recording that we can call general purpose. You can apply it to anything that you want to have happen in your life. Set your intention. We always say that with self-hypnosis too. Set your intention before you go into trance, or in this case, when Mike tells you to on the track, set your intention. You can decide what you're going to do with it, and it will be awesome. Now, when you get to the end, you won't remember the whole journey. That's totally normal, and you may be crying tears of freaking joy because it's epic. So go ahead and download Journey to the Castle. You'll find a link in the description under this video. We are Mike Mandel Hypnosis.
I'm Mike Mandel.
Yeah, this
Chris
guy's
Thompson.
Mike Mandel. I'm Chris Thompson, and we run the Mike Mandel Hypnosis Academy. So if you want to learn more about hypnosis, you can join us.
Use headphones and play it loud.
Awesome. And then, email us, comment, let us know how you enjoyed it.
Thanks again,
and good night.